Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff General Romeo Brawner Jr. has spoken with President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. regarding the harassment by China on May 19. This involved an incident where members of Chinese Coast Guard seized one of the 4 packages of food and medical supplies intended for soldiers stationed on BRP Sierra Madre in Ayungin Shoal.
In general, ang bilin po ng ating Pangulo ay huwag nating hayaan na mag-escalate yung situation. Kaya nga po tayo mga Pilipino, ang ginagawa po natin is that we are practicing maximum tolerance.
According to General Brawner, the President's instructions are maximum tolerance, follow the law, and do not let the tension escalate.
And we are practicing activities that promote international law. In other words, ay hindi po tayo lumalabag sa mga batas international.
The President also strictly instructed not to imitate or retaliate against China's actions.
We were discussing this with the President and he said, no, do not use our water cannons against the Chinese. No? So in other words, what he's trying to give to us or order us is that we should always maintain the high moral ground, no? Dahil tayo sumusunod tayo sa batas, no? Yun po yung gusto ng ating Pangulo. At yan rin po yung kanyang in-emphasize, no, dun sa kanyang speech sa Singapore during the Shangri-La Dialogue.
The AFP assured that it will continue to conduct rotational and resupply mission to Ayungin Shoal and other maritime features in the West Philippine Sea that part of the Philippines' exclusive economic zone. The general added that the President's position, which he also highlighted in the recent speech at the Shangri-La Dialogue in Singapore, has garnered support. In fact, many countries have expressed their desire to support the Philippines' stance on maintaining peace in Indo-Pacific region, offering assistance in areas such as military capability development and joint operation exercises.
So napakarami pong mga bansa, and that is very heartwarming for us to know that a lot of countries around the world support us in our endeavor to maintain a free and open Indo-Pacific and also to promote an international rules-based order.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.